June 16th, 2010, Dupree, South Dakota. I would see around 8 tornadoes from a supercell in an area that was definitely less focused on. The more main play was closer to the trough. Here's a 3:30 p.m. mesoscale discussion. Dupree is located here. And the subsequent tornado watch at 6:30, the box touching the county Dupree is in. This is why watches always include conditions are favorable in and close to the watch area. Another mesoscale discussion at 7 p.m., this very much covering the tornado threat with the storm. This far east, the mid-levels weren't very strong, only maybe around 25 knots from the southwest, but it was topped by 50 to 60 knots in the upper levels. This would be sufficient for a storm to anchor on the northward moving warm front and very slowly move east. At 5 p.m. you can see Dupree storm initiating here, now producing tornadoes around 7. Here's that 20 to 30 knot southwest mid-level flow, pretty darn low end, yet also not setting the storm across into the more stable air here. The 50 to 60 knot southwest upper levels in the storm relative sense are also stronger on this not moving storm. But look at the low-level flow here, adding the red 850 millibar low-level jet in with the blue 550 millibar mid-levels. 45 knots and out of the southeast. There's a reason why I targeted this setup. Simply huge low-level shear and strong instability on this 8 p.m. modeled sounding. I sat south of Faith for at least an hour watching the first storms lifting north. With such strong southeast low-level winds, I definitely wanted to see what would be the most southeast storm. Rain-cooled outflow had moved northwest into the inflow of the others. Once Dupree fully initiated just east of me, the decision was very easy. Get north to Faith and get east now.
I can't do a whole hell of a lot about these power lines. This storm is crazy. It's kind of sculpted, but it's not. Doesn't look like it's spinning very fast. But it's starting to get a whole deal wrapped inside there. It would help if it finally stops raining. I wonder if it's just going to get up to this highway or not. Oh, it's about to plant one. I probably can't hold this still enough in here, but you can totally see that bolt or the edge of the updraft just going around. See it getting fatter. This thing is just slowly lifting due north. You could probably tornado if it would turn right. And it's starting to wrap another deal. I'm tempted to drive west into that vault area and look more south at that. That is just wicked what it's doing right now. No more volt. Yeah, that's totally trying. It's 6:55. I'm same exact spot. One of the slowest moving storms ever. Ooh. Lightning barrage might be starting. Oh, boom, yeah. Starting to see the structure now that that band's getting out of here. right. Oh man, up right. It'll probably look cool again once this garbage from this little shower gets out of the way. Getting going. Now the thing's gonna sit here forever. I think I'll go sample the core, see what it's got. The sky is extremely green up here. That's looking southwest.
Going back east now to my same previous spot.
Exactly where I was earlier, just go back here. Totally need to change my battery. Why does every chase gotta be so wet? But it's gonna do another big one right near me. Oh, I'm sick of the water. Look at that tornado. Look at the one that's about to happen. Oh my God. I need to get going. It's about to produce one right on me. Look, it's just going to do another one right here. I think it's got a tornado here and back there. Yep. Oh no. That's going to go right into that town. Oh no. That one is probably going to hit Dupree. Oh, this thing looks anti-cyclonic right here. That thing is going to be going into Dupree now.